Hey everyone, welcome back. In this enhanced beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find and check a working server name indication, SNI. I'll explain every step so even if you're new, you'll know what you're doing and why. An SNI can be used in setting up VPN apps in order to get an enhanced, secure, and stable browsing experience. Let's go. Step 1. Open your browser. What to do? Open Chrome or any browser you're comfortable with. Why? The websites and tools we'll use work best in a modern browser. Chrome is common and straightforward for beginners. Step 2. Search for an SNI finding tool. What to do? In Google search, type Find SNI and press Enter. Why? You're looking for a tool that generates SNI host names. The search finds sites that do this for you. Step 3. Open the SNI host analyzer, snihost.com. What to do? From the search results, open SNI host analyzer, often shown as snihost.com. Why? This site has a simple generator called SNI bug host generator that will create candidate SNI hosts for your country. Step 4. Use the SNI bug host generator. What to do? Scroll to SNI bug host generator. Tap Open SNI bug host generator. Then tap Search and select Country and choose your country. Why? SNI hosts can be region-specific. Choosing your country increases the chance the generated SNI will be reachable and useful for your connection. Step 5. Copy the generated SNI. What to do? After the generator produces an SNI host, copy it. Long press the text and select Copy on mobile. Why? You'll paste this into a checker tool to confirm it actually works. Copying saves time and prevents typos. Step 6. Open a host checker tool. What to do? Open a new browser tab, search for Host Checker, and open the first reliable host checker site that appears. Why? A host checker tests whether the SNI you copied responds correctly over SSL/TLS. This verifies it's usable. Step 7. Paste the SNI and run an SSL check. What to do? Paste the SNI into the host checker input field and tap SSL check, or the site's equivalent button. Why? The checker will test TLS/SSL and hostname resolution. A successful result means the SNI is reachable and the SSL certificate is valid or at least responds, which is what VPN apps typically need. Step 8. Read the results like a beginner. What to look for? Success/OK/certificate found good. The SNI is working and can be used. Failed/no response/timeout not good. Try generating another SNI or pick a different country and repeat. Why? A working SNI should resolve to a host that accepts TLS connections. If it doesn't, it won't help your VPN connection. Step 9. Using the SNI in a VPN app. Quick note: what to do? When your VPN client asks for an SNI/host, for example an HTTP injector, V2Ray, or Hysteria settings, paste the working SNI there. Why? Using a validated SNI can help your VPN traffic appear as normal TLS traffic to certain servers and networks, improving compatibility and often giving an enhanced, secure, and stable browsing experience. Troubleshooting tips. For beginners, if checks keep failing, try another country or regenerate the SNI. If you're unsure whether a site is trustworthy, use a well-known host checker or ask in a tech community. Copy and paste carefully. An extra space can make the SNI fail. If your VPN still won't connect after a successful SNI check, double-check the VPN protocol, ports, and credentials. And that's it, a simple, step-by-step way to find and verify an SNI, explained for beginners. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more enhanced tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.